case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a 1921 case heard by the New York Court of Appeals, Jacob and Youngs, Inc. v. Kent, a property owner and a contractor, faced off over a dispute on materials used during the construction of a house. The contractor agreed to build the property for $77,000 using standard pipe from Reading Manufacturing. However, after moving in and months after completion, the property owner discovered that pipes from a different brand were installed. The property owner demanded that the contractor replace the pipework, an expensive and difficult endeavor. The contractor refused, leading to the owner withholding the final payment of $3,483.46. Consequently, the issue went to court to determine if the omission was fraudulent or accidental and how damages should be calculated, whether it be the cost of replacement or the difference in value. The case highlighted that in some instances, compensation for trivial or inappreciable defects may be allowed, and the significance of the omission depends on the context and purpose of the contract. Moreover, it showed that literal fulfillment of every contract term might not be required if the significance of the default is out of proportion to the forfeiture. The lower court initially ruled in favor of the defendant, but eventually, the Court of Appeals found that the lower court had erred in excluding the plaintiff's evidence. The court deemed the omission of a different pipe brand to be trivial, and found that the plaintiff had substantially performed. Upholding the appellate division's decision to grant a new trial, the plaintiff was awarded judgment with costs in all courts, and the trial term's judgment was reversed.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.